Ever been in a rush to find the perfect gift? Or maybe you're miles away from your loved one and want to surprise them with something special. Buying gift cards online can be a lifesaver in these situations. But can you use Beforepay to make those digital purchases? That's the burning question we're tackling today. Beforepay is a popular financial service that allows users to access their earned income before payday. It's a fantastic solution for those unexpected expenses or when you need a little extra cash flow. But does this convenience extend to online gift card purchases? Let's dive in and find out. Online gift card shopping offers a ton of advantages. Convenience. Forget the hassle of driving to the store and searching for the right card. Online platforms provide a vast selection of retailers and brands, all at your fingertips. Speed. Need a gift ASAP? Online purchases are processed instantly, allowing you to send that digital gift card within minutes. Flexibility. Many online platforms offer customizable gift cards, letting you personalize the message and even add a photo. Variety. From popular retailers to niche brands, the online world opens up a world of gift card options you might not find in a physical store. With these benefits in mind, let's see if Beforepay can help you capitalize on them. Now, the million-dollar question: can you use Beforepay funds to buy gift cards online? The answer, unfortunately, is not always straightforward. Direct purchases. In most cases, you cannot directly use Beforepay to purchase gift cards from online retailers. This is because Beforepay typically provides access to your earned income, which is usually deposited into your bank account. Workarounds. While direct purchases might be limited, there are some potential workarounds. Withdraw funds. You can usually withdraw a portion of your earned income from your Beforepay account. Once the funds are in your bank account, you can use your debit or credit card to purchase gift cards online. Peer-to-peer transfers. Some Beforepay services might allow you to transfer funds to friends or family. You could then request that they purchase the gift card on your behalf using their own payment methods. Check Beforepay's terms. It's crucial to review Beforepay's terms and conditions carefully. They might have specific rules or restrictions regarding online purchases and gift cards. Important note: always prioritize safety and security when making any online transactions, especially those involving financial services like Beforepay. Ensure you're using secure websites and reputable platforms for your gift card purchases. If you're looking for convenient ways to purchase gift cards, here are some alternative options to consider. Credit cards/debit cards. These are the most common and widely accepted payment methods for online gift card purchases. Digital wallets. Platforms like Apple Pay, Google Pay, and PayPal offer quick and secure payment options for online transactions. Online banking. Many banks allow you to make online purchases directly from your bank account. These options provide flexibility and convenience while ensuring you have the necessary funds available for your purchase. While you may not be able to directly use Beforepay funds to buy gift cards online, there are often workarounds available. Remember to always check Beforepay's terms and conditions and prioritize your financial security when making any online transactions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.